How to fix if your phone is lagging or having slow performance. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys a few ways that you can boost up the performance on your phone. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go to your settings and scroll down until you find software update. Just tap on it. Now you're going to check for any updates and you just want to go ahead and turn off the auto download. So if you tap on never, it's not going to auto download unless you do it manually. This is the first thing you can try to do. The second thing you can do is go ahead and open Play Store. Tap on the three dots or your profile icon first, and then go to Settings. Once you are here, go under General, and then from here you'll find the automatic install optimization. Then you'll find something called Auto Download. So go to Network Preferences and then go ahead and go to Auto Download and Auto Update. So make sure this is set to over any network. And then if you set the app auto update, make sure that you select don't auto update the apps. Once you do this, your apps will have to be updated manually and it could boost up your performance. Now you can just go back and then from here you can open up your settings menu, go to the app settings. Now here you'll find something called Permission Manager. Just tap on it. Make sure all of these permissions are allowed for your specific apps. Then you can go back and then go to the sorting icon. Now from here you can just go ahead and go to disabled apps. Click on OK. So all of these are deep sleeping. So you can add these apps or make them deep sleep, the unnecessary apps. And finally, you could just go ahead and simply go to your developers option and go to background users. Tap on the search bar, simply search for background process. Scroll down until you find background process on developers option. Tap on it. And here you will be able to see the standard limit. You can select at most 1 or 2 process if you want. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.